Hi everybody, Jason Zickerman here, and I hope you're doing really well. You know, when most people talk about brand building, they are often thinking about promotion, advertising to get their name out there. But the reality is, for most private businesses, brand building is not about ads. It's about the brand experience. You see, some of the world's most iconic brands have been built on exceptional customer experiences as well as word-of-mouth marketing. Have you ever seen an ad for McKinsey Consulting? You haven't, because they don't advertise. Or consider Trader Joe's, a grocery store chain with an incredibly loyal customer base, yet they haven't spent a dime on traditional advertising. You see, for most businesses, the most effective way to build brand is not through big ad campaigns, but rather by delivering an outstanding experience, and doing so consistently to every customer and to every prospect. Because when you do this, your customers become your best promoters. So think about your own buying decisions. Are you more likely to trust an ad in a magazine? Or are you more persuaded when one of your friends or colleagues raves about how much they love a product or a service that they use? You see, the takeaway is simple. Focus on creating experiences that are worth talking about. Because if you do that, your brand is going to grow, but it's not going to be because you promoted it. It'll be because your customers did. Give that a thought and let me know what you think.